Hey there! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Now that you've created your first website with Ucraft, you should take advantage of our e-commerce app to bring your business online or launch an online store in 10 minutes. All paid plans include e-commerce, so let me give you a quick overview of some of the key features. To get started, head to your dashboard and find the e-commerce app. Follow these 5 steps to get to your first sale. The sections you'll use most often are located on the left panel, right here. In My Sales section, you can track all your orders, abandoned carts, follow your customers, and so on. The Catalog section is all about your products and their categories. The Marketing section offers a variety of tools to increase your reach and retain customers. All sales channels will help you maximize your sales and drive more traffic to your store by listing your products on the most popular shopping sites on the internet, such as Amazon, eBay, Yahoo, Yandex, and more. Check out our pricing page to find the plan and features that fit your business needs. Under the Configuration tab, you will find 70+ payment and pickup methods to guarantee transactions and delivery all over the world. And finally, your store settings, where you can close your storefront for maintenance, manage the general settings, currency, weight and size, languages, date and time, and much more. Check out the Cart tab for catalog settings, enabling compare to price or order comments, and loads of other handy stuff you'll need when maintaining the checkout process. Taking your business online has never been easier. So don't waste your time and make the most out of this app to create a powerful and a beautiful online store. For more info, please visit support.ucraft.com. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.